So we're going to take a look at a little small tackle box that I keep with me. A lot of this stuff has been moved over to even a smaller kit that I take with me when I ride. But this kit here basically will cover very small fish. So we've got things like in here. To give you an idea of how small we're talking, this thing is tiny. I'm not sure I got anything here to compare it to. So if you look at this, this blade is 4.3 inches long. This thing is just tiny, tiny. Really great for sunfish, bluegill, things of that size. There's all kinds of ways that you can rig this up. It comes with the little beads. Comes with tiny little sinkers. And you can move up on your sinkers as well. I've moved those over, so I don't have those in here with me. So you definitely got plenty of split shots. Plenty of ways to attach different attachments. It's a great old kit. I'll put a link down in the description to the Amazon where I got it. And it pretty much will give you a better idea. This is not a waterproof case, but it definitely seals up pretty tight. So you're going to be okay with getting by with sprinkles or something like that, or light rain. Definitely not a heavy rain. But I really like the kit. A lot of great stuff in the kit. And something to check out for sure. But that is a brief look over. And get out there and go fishing. So stay safe, stay armed, and stay free, friends. Talk to you later.